This is Weltha. Okay, you guys, so I just got in, but I want some chicken breasts. So I'm gonna make some mustard fried chicken breasts. So come on, let's make a really fast video, and this is gonna be some mustard fried chicken breasts. So come on, come cook with me.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a voiceover for this video, okay? As I said, I'm very tired, so I'm just sprinkling the chicken with the spices that I'm gonna use, and I'm using the Kendrick smoked seasoning. It tastes so good on your chicken, guys. If you haven't tried that one, try it. It's so good. Okay, and now I use some regular salt, and now I use black pepper. Sprinkle that on there. Just sprinkle as much as you want, you guys, to your liking. And when I do my cookbook, I'll do the exact measurements. But honey, tonight you guys gonna get this voiceover. So I put some cayenne pepper on it also. Okay, and then we're gonna pull out some mustard. So you just get whatever mustard you want to use. I just got some regular mustard out of my fridge, you guys. And I've noticed that I love the taste of mustard on my chicken. So sometimes when I want to switch it up, I'll just fry my chicken with some mustard. It tastes so good. So if you haven't tried it this way, try it, guys. It's so good. And then you just stir it all together. Make sure the mustard's on all the chicken, okay? And that's what you got. And I guess I'm adding a little more black pepper, because you know I love me some black pepper, honey. At least my daughter says I do. And then you're just gonna stir it all together, you guys. Make sure it's all seasoned good. Everything's mixed on the chicken breast. This is some mustard fried chicken breast, okay? And you guys, sorry I lost a little footage of when I put the flour on my chicken. When I batter up the chicken, I don't know, I was tired, so I didn't film it, I guess. But you guys know the gist of it. You know, after you do this, then you're going to batter it with some flour, and then you're going to fry it. That's all, okay? But I lost some footage, so sorry about that, you guys. And honey, how long was I gonna stir it? Okay, here's the footage that I lost. See? Okay, then you're gonna fry the chicken, you guys. Just put each strip in there, and you're gonna fry it. And I'm making this chicken extra crispy. Don't be saying, oh, the chicken is burnt. No, it wasn't burnt. It was extra crispy, because that's the way I wanted it, okay? So when you're gonna see the outcome in a few minutes, okay? It's extra crispy. It was so good, you guys. So this is just the process of me frying the chicken. And I'm gonna let it sit there and get all crispy on that side, you guys, and just giving you a close look. Look at there, it's already turning crispy. And I like the color that the mustard gives the chicken also. I think the mustard gives the chicken a nice color when you're frying your chicken with the mustard. And the taste is so good, you guys. You gotta try it. If you haven't tried your chicken with some mustard, try it. It's so good. Look at that, extra crispy. Now that's what you call extra crispy. I'm gonna let that side get a little more crispy. And that's exactly the way I wanted it. I was thinking about this all day. Okay, so I got my extra crispy mustard fried chicken breast. Look at that. It's extra crispy. It's gonna be so good. Oh, you guys, I'm so tired. I just want to eat this chicken and go to sleep. And then I gotta go to work tomorrow, so I better enjoy this chicken, huh? Yes, I'm gonna enjoy this chicken tonight, honey. Look at that. It looks so good. I love the color of it. See that color that the mustard gives it? It's a nice color, right? I love it. And this is my dinner tonight, you guys. I just want some extra crispy chicken. That's all. And some sleep. Yeah, so that's how it turned out. And I love the way that the color, how golden crispy it is. And it's so crispy, you guys. And it's so delicious. So if you haven't tried mustard fried chicken, make sure that you try this recipe because it's so good. Okay, you guys? And that's it. That's all she wrote today. Okay. I'm so tired, y'all. I need to go to sleep. Let me eat this chicken and go to sleep. But let me give you a closer look before I go. Look at that. Mustard fried chicken breast. There you have it. Okay, you guys. Make sure that you try this recipe, okay? It's so delicious. Okay? And now I'm just going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy the scenery. Enjoy looking at this delicious mustard fried chicken breast, okay? And I'll see you guys on the next one.
Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. But please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Okay? And I'll see you on the next one.